Alis na daw mommy tomorrow. Okay lang? Ha? Ha? No. Okay lang? What, baby? Alis na daw mommy? O tomorrow, okay lang? Why ayaw mo?
Because I'm busy boy. Busy boy.
What's busy boy?
Busy boy.
You're busy boy, that's why. Why muna? Why you don't want mommy to go? Answer muna, why you don't want mommy to go? Because Alex. Dali, answer ka muna.
Because the banana no.
What?
No, mommy to home.
You don't want you don't want mommy to go home?
Opo.
Why? Why?
But yeah.
What? Eh, pupunta na ako Singapore tomorrow. Paano yan?
Oh, yeah.
Why ayaw mo?
Because bad to
Because what? Because you love mommy? How much you love mommy? Oh, you kiss mommy. Sarap naman mag-kiss. What's your name? Wait, bibidyo nga kita para makita ng fans mo.
Money ko.
Okay. What will you buy?